Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of replacing the screen on your Lenovo ThinkPad X1. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean microfiber cloth. Let's dive in. First, power off your Lenovo ThinkPad X1. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the replacement. Once it's off, disconnect the power adapter and any connected devices. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place to avoid losing any. If you're unsure about the screws, consult your laptop's manual for guidance. After removing the screws, gently pry open the back panel using your plastic prying tool. Be cautious here, you don't want to damage any clips or the casing. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws that may have been missed. Once the back panel is off, locate the battery connector. Disconnect it to ensure that there is no power running through the device while you work. This step is vital for your safety. Now, we'll focus on the screen assembly. Carefully remove the screws securing the screen to the laptop frame. Remember to keep these screws organized. If you don't have the tools for this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help. With the screws removed, gently pull the screen away from the frame. Use the plastic prying tool to help if necessary, but be careful not to damage the display cables behind it. Next, disconnect the display cables from the motherboard. These cables can be delicate, so take your time. If you're unsure, refer to your device's manual for the exact location of the connectors. Cleaning the internal components at this stage is also a good idea. Use the microfiber cloth to gently wipe away any dust or debris. Now, it's time to install the new screen. Align it with the connectors and gently attach the display cables to the motherboard. Ensure they are secure before proceeding. Reattach the screen to the laptop frame, securing it with the screws you previously removed. If you need assistance, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, which could help you ensure everything is correctly done. Once the screen is secured, reconnect the battery and replace the back panel. Make sure all clips are properly aligned and the screws are tightened. Finally, power on your Lenovo ThinkPad X1. If all goes well, your new screen should be functioning perfectly. If not, don't worry, we offer a quote before repair so you know what to expect. Thank you for following this tutorial. Now you can enjoy your newly replaced screen with confidence. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.